Are you guys facing a problem when you're trying to print your Excel file? And this is what the problem looks like. Your file could not be printed due to an error on dash, and there are several reasons. So I'll teach you guys how you can fix this problem. Now first things first, what you'll first have to do is open your run. For that, tap on your Windows key and search for run. After you search for run, what you'll have to type in run is just search for regedit and open it up. Now give it the permission, and after you do that, this page will load up. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to go on H key current users. Now expand that, and after you expand it, you'll have to expand the software. Now here is the software right here. Tap on software and there will be a lot of more options. Now after you expanded software, search for Microsoft. Now here's Microsoft right here. Expand Microsoft, and after you expand Microsoft, search for Windows NT. Now let us search for it. Just scroll down till you find it. Now it's right here. Now expand that too. And after you expand that, expand the current version. Now after you've done that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to right click on Windows. Windows is right here. Right click on Windows and open permissions. Now right here under permissions, you'll have to tick on allow full control. Now after you tap on allow full control, you'll just have to click on apply and OK. Now after you've done that, again go to Windows, right click on it, open permissions and tap on add. Now under the enter the object's name to select, you'll just have to type in everyone, and after you do that, just tap on check names and it will automatically just select everyone, and then tap on OK again and just select everyone. Tap on full control, allow full control, and after you do that, tap on apply and then OK. So with that, the first step is complete. Now what you'll have to do is just open your Windows again, and after you tap on your Windows key, search for services. Now after you open services right here, you'll have to search for printer spooler. Now it's going to be way down, so scroll down, and as you can see right here, this is the one we want. Now right click on it and tap on stop, and after you tap on stop, again right click on it and tap on start. After you do that, all you have to do is restart your computer and your problem will get fixed. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.